How to set up a device in Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can set up a new device. Here on the top, tap on this plus icon. So this is the place where you can customize and select the type of device that you want to add. Here, you'll be able to find different categories. Now here, tap on the one that you want to add. So basically, in order to set up a new device, you must scan a QR code. There is always a QR code present in the device. So tap on I'm ready to scan. Simply place the mobile phone inside the QR frame and you can easily scan the device. Later, you can set up your profile and easily use this device, and all is in your control. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.